I gotta go. I gotta go. See you later. You want a pretzel?
Yeah, I think I want one pretzel.
I can't even handle this right now.
You see? The good thing I said, let's go see.
How did that happen? How did he hide on this thing? Oh, look at this art.
Whoa, this is so pretty. Now, look at all that.
Oh yeah, they have some good phones there. He's
That's-
running. He's running. He's on the run. Look at all that art by the door. I want to see it all.
I know, because it's my project to, like, see every art and tell my teacher what the schools are. So I can't miss not even one.
I need a trash can.